Beast mode. Kitty. Today is a different day because we were out on the other typewriter desk, the one that I have in my front room, where I do all my printing and my computer stuff that I do not like to do because I do not like to use the computers. But anyway, I found this Royal on Facebook Marketplace this morning, and it popped up and it was just sitting there, and like, that's all I saw was some bright blue keys because the person took the picture out in the sunshine. And man, those things shine in the sun. And you know how much I like things that shine in the sun. Yeah, so this is a cool Royal standard electric machine. And I don't see these too often. I don't think they're rare per se, but it's a cool color combination. This gunmetal gray, silver. It's got a little crazing, but most of it is just cleanliness. I'm sure I can clean that up a little bit. But it's fun, really fun, and it has some cool features. I did the normal Royal mistake that I always bug everybody about when they yank up on the ribbon cover to pull the Futuras, because there's a button that you're supposed to push, you know, the logo button, and it usually breaks the thing off. So I yanked this up when there's a button right here. Boop. A little booper. It needs spools or something. I don't know. It doesn't look... This is the first... I literally just typed one sentence on this, so... it's got this cool touch control thing. You just crank it and it slowly goes. I had it set to 0. Let's set it to medium and see how it feels. But it's a pretty intuitive machine. You got the power on button. It's fairly quiet. It does have some clutch sounds when you switch your touch controls. This is like the medium, then low, and it'll settle into itself. So I think it's just like getting up onto that clutch and getting the settings right. But yeah, it has the half spaces, the line advance. I'll throw some paper in here, but what I liked is if you open the ribbon cover, it just boop, it like on the way up, it trips the on and off and it locks it out. So if you go to turn this thing on, you got to actually close the lid, and it does it for you. And I'm so used to reaching for the carriage arms, but it's got power return. This is the first machine I've used other than a Selectric with a power return. And it's got your power space. And it's got this nifty little dash thing. Here, I'm gonna let's put some paper in you. Put some paper in her. What do we got here? Some scrap papers. So you still gotta load the paper by hand, but the machine has everything. I think this type's an Elite. Yeah, it says 130 on the thing there. Can you guys see all this? Locks out. Margin release. Where's margin release? I've never used it on this. Yeah, that works too. Power return. Man, that thing is powered. But yeah, this thing is loud. The platinum's dead. Only one sheet of paper, but it types still, and it's good. This is how I got it. This is the best machine. I really like this machine. Very fun. Backspace. Got the backspace. Oh yeah, I'm already at the end. What is this? A line advance? Oh yeah. Line advance button. Line advance button. What does this do? Oh, power backspace. That will rock my table. Boom. That'll wake the neighbors. So yeah, I'm gonna put a new ribbon on this and clean it up a little bit, and then pass it on to a friend, because it was fun to play with. But that's all I wanted to do. Make sure it worked. Get it back out there. All right, guys. Hot Rod Typewriter Company, and this one is cool. Just my style. Talk to you later.